Here is Kali Linux operating system. Okay. How to change directory or file permission in Linux? Here is a folder on desktop. The name is book. Click on it. Here is file Mira. I will know about the file permission. What permission is given to this file? First, I will check it. Right click on it. Then see properties. Click on it. Okay. Now check permission. Permission is given three parties. First name owner, then group, third one is others. Read and write. Owner have read and write power and group have no power, means none, and others have no power. Here is given none. How can change it? By giving some command. You will know the permission of the three parties, owner, group, others. Okay. Go to terminal. First check the folder location. Right click on it. Properties. Here is parent folder. Home, Arches, desktop. Okay. By cd command we can go to folder. Cd desktop, enter. Cd, here is book inside of desktop, so cd book, enter. Now I reach this folder. First check it inside this folder. ls space -l. Here is written -rw. -rw. What is the meaning of rw? R for read, w for write. rw, read and write. What is the meaning? To change file or directory permission in Linux, use the following command. chmod means change mode, plus sign, then written rwx. R for read, w for write, x for execute. If you want to add this permission, means read, write and execute, then write plus sign. If you want to give him this power, write plus sign. If you do not want, write minus sign. Okay. Go to terminal. Here is rw sign. Now chmod, change mode, plus sign. Here is written rw. I want rwx space Mira. Mira is our file name. Here Mira is our file name. So written Mira, then enter it. Okay. Now check it. The file permission of Mira. ls space -l Mira. Here is C, rwxr, mean read, write and execute power this file. Tick sign is here. That means you can execute this file, the Mira, file name Mira. Here is owner, read and write. Group power has read only, others have read only. Again check it. How to disable the execute power. chmod minus execute means x, minus x Mira, then enter it. See here, there is no tick sign. That means execute power withdrawn. Then check it. ls -l Mira. Here is C, only rw, X symbol is not here because this file have no execute power. In this way you can change the different file. See, here is execute, write and read. Execute value is 1, write value 2. If you want to change the permission, suppose 1, this is the mathematical method, 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 7. Here is 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 7. That means if you write 7 only, that means the file have 3 powers: execute, write and read. If you write 7, then this file have 3 powers: execute, write and read. Okay, if you 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, that means 1 is execute, 2 is write. That means the file have only write and execute power. Suppose 2 plus 4 equal to 6. That means 2 means write, the file have write power, and 4 and read power. If you write 6, now first check the property of Mira. Right click, properties, here is permission, read, write, others, read, write. Okay, now change this permission. Now how can change this permission? Know about this. Okay, go to terminal, cd desktop, then cd, here is file book, no write symbol here. Okay, check chmod 7, file name Mira, chmod change mode 777 Mira, enter. See, the tick mark is here, that means the file have execute permission. chmod minus 777 Mira, enter. Here see, disable the sign. That means this file have no permission for execute. Click sign disable here, then check it, chmod plus 777 file name Mira, enter and see it here. Here is no sign, here enter. Okay, execute path. In this way we can change the file permission. We can take another example. Suppose we give permission to this file only write, that value is 2. chmod 2 Mira, here is value 2 for write. Here see, owner have power write only, no read. Group have power no read, only write. Other have power only write, no read. Okay, if you want to both read and write, owner, group and others. Read value 4, write value 2. 2 plus 4 6. chmod 6 6 then file name Mira. Enter. See it. Owner read and write, group read and write, others have power read and write. Suppose you want to give the execute power this file, then write chmod 777 then file name Mira. Enter. Here is executing. In this method we can change the file permission of any file and folder. If you want any more video, please subscribe my channel.
बड़ी हसरत